Hey, it's Igor from FlippingBook with the web's most frequently asked questions. Adding interactive content to your online newsletter can make it more engaging. If you create an email newsletter, it can benefit from video snippets, quizzes, and GIFs. Most email marketing tools come with customizable newsletter templates, which are a great place to start if you are looking for some inspiration and newsletter ideas. Another option is creating digital newsletters from a PDF. If you use FlippingBook, you can turn your PDF into a digital flipbook and add all sorts of interactive content to it. For example, a video that will play right in the pages of your newsletter, animated GIFs, pop-up images, and even a sign-up form. Your readers can view your content in any browser, on any device, and you can always email your interactive newsletter or share it as a link. So, if you're looking for creative ways of sharing your interactive newsletter, FlippingBook can help. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back with more content soon. Adding interactive content to your online newsletter is it's great. It's really good. I started this super optimistically. Adding I cannot say the word newsletter anymore. It just comes out as newsletter.